The center has directed Meta to temporarily halt the rollout of WhatsApp's proposed username feature in India, citing concerns over privacy, impersonation, and potential misuse. The government has also asked Meta to submit a detailed explanation within 3 days and has withheld approval for the launch until consultations are completed. The proposed feature would allow WhatsApp users to create a unique username, enabling them to message or call others without sharing mobile numbers. These usernames would be distinct from display names and must be unique, with certain handles potentially reserved for businesses, government agencies, and public figures. According to Meta, usernames would appear by default in group chats or when interacting with unknown contacts whose numbers are not saved. The feature is intended to enhance user privacy, especially in group interactions and conversations with unknown users, and would also allow users to reserve usernames ahead of a full rollout. WhatsApp, which has around 500 million users in India, considers the country a key market for this feature. However, government sources have raised concerns that the system could enable impersonation, as users may create handles resembling official agencies or individuals, posing risks to public safety. Authorities are reportedly exploring legal mechanisms to regulate or even block the feature. Cybersecurity experts and industry leaders have also flagged potential risks of fraud and identity confusion. Paytm CEO Vijay Shekhar Sharma warned that look-alike usernames could become a major scam vector, while not dating CEO Jasveer Singh stressed that the importance of balancing privacy with accountability. The directive comes as the government continues its review of the feature before allowing any rollout in India. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.